from the armed forces, army, youth organizations. We have and now has expanded to each and every part of the country to Darbar Shillong's faith partners and guides from the
This is for the busted hearts. This is for the question marks. This is for the outcast soul, lost control. No one knows. Sing it for the can't go back. Sing it for the broken past. Sing it for the just found out. Life is now upside down. If you're looking for hope tonight, raise your hand. If you're feeling alone and don't understand, if you're fighting in the fight of your life, then stand. We're gonna make it through this hand in hand. If we fall, we will fall together.
After I took oath as the Governor of Meghalaya, I had gone to meet Mahamahim Rashtrapati ji, Draupadi Murmu ji. By that time, Honorable President of the Nation, they told me, you see, Mr. Vijay Shankar, now you are going to such a state. वो लोग पेड़ को भगवान मानते हैं, वो लोग पेड़ को भगवान मानते हैं. Then I extended my invitation to the Honorable President of the Nation. Again you come to the state of Meghalaya. Then the Honorable President of the Nation told me, definitely I come, not to sit in Rajwan. मुझे अच्छी तरह घूमना है, पूरा मेघालय घूमना है. सबसे बढ़िया है वो भूमि धरती, बहुत सुंदर धरती है, इसलिए मैं घूमने आती हूँ. सेकेंड थिंग, सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप्स इन मेघालय, दे आर एक्सलेंट. I have to talk to them, I have to meet to them, so that definitely I come. This is the opinion of the highest authority of India. I met some of the senior most cabinet of rank of minister 3 months back. He told me the people of Meghalaya, they never harm anybody. People of Meghalaya, they never harm anybody. They never cheat anybody. They never lie. They never lie. You are governor in such a state. You are very lucky to be there as a governor. They are very good human beings, according to me. The people of Meghalaya, they are very good human beings. Serve them very sincerely. This is what some of the senior most cabinet rank minister in the Union government, they told me, this is the opinion of the highest authority in the center.